Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your data. Make a copy of the sheet, then open extension's right arrow app script so you can run code directly. Once done, pick the exact range to translate an entire sheet or a column and note it. You need permission to run scripts. Grant authorization when prompted. This is the first actionable step because manual formulas are slow and incomplete. Using AppScript is the only reliable way to translate mixed content into English programmatically. Now paste a small app script that reads each cell, detects text, and calls language app. Translate with source auto and target N. Once pasted, save and run the translate range function. The first run asks for permission, except the OAuth scopes. The script loops row by row and writes English text back into cells, skipping formulas if you configured it to preserve them. This method is robust for mixed languages and keeps numbers, dates, and formulas intact when you set those rules. Finish by reviewing translated content and restoring formatting that might have changed. If everything looks good, save a new copy as your English version. If you hit Google Apps script quotas, break the job into smaller ranges or add utilities. Sleep pauses. This prevents failures on large sheets. If translations seem incorrect, explicitly set the source language instead of auto. Check for cells treated as formulas, and rerun just those ranges. This approach ensures a complete, repeatable translation pipeline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.